Hi guys, this is Subhash here, a biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber, so I'm at Lotlem here in South Goa. It's a Rassaim ferry boat, Durbhat. I'll cross the ferry today for Durbhat. There are two ferries in this area, so I'll try to show you this area, guys. Then I will catch the Bori Ponda road in that side. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, then let's do this. I am here now. From little bit further there, there's the right there. Then I will catch the ferry there. Okay, let's go then. Okay guys, this is Durbhat here, and that's the Durbhat ferry. It's very long from here. So this is different ferry. This will connect here at this point. So I'll go here, then I'll go to Durbhat this side, to ride the bike there, because it's a 1 hour. They said I have to wait that time. So I'll go here, this dock here. Let's see. This is my first ride at this place. So guys, this is a Adpai ferry boat. This side Durbhat is little bit further. That is different ferry. So I'll go from here to the Durbhat. Durbhat will be in the next episode. So for that, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. If you like it, I will end this video from here. Okay, then see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.